guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Walgreens haul for you guys. Once again, these deals started on Sunday, March 28th, and they are good up until Saturday, April 3rd. So before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals, guys. Okay, so I went to two different Walgreens. At my first Walgreens store, I did 3 separate transactions. And the reason why I did 3 transactions is because I was after the $4 registry rewards. So I had to split my items up in order to get a registry reward each time. And then at my second Walgreens store, I wanted to take advantage of the gain and the bounty deal again, which I will explain. So first, we're going to go ahead and start with my first transaction. So in my first transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Old Spice Pure Sport body washes. This is the 24-ounce bottles, and these are priced at Walgreens 2 for $12. We do have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that you can use on these. And then also the deal with these is that when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will go ahead and purchase 2 at $6 each, or 2 for $12. You will use that $4 off of 2 digital coupon. With using that $4 digital coupon, it will bring your total down to just $8. And remember, when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. I did receive my $4 registry reward, but I used it on another transaction. So $8 minus the $4 registry reward that I did receive, that brought my overall total down to just $4 total, or it makes each bottle just $2 each. And with these, my brother uses those, and then I also have another customer who is brand loyal to Old Spice, so I will be for sure selling these right here. And so $4 for both, or $2 each. And then let me show you guys my receipt. So as you can see right here, both of the Old Spice body washes run up 2 for $12. My Old Spice $4 digital coupon came off, so that brought my subtotal to $8. I did use my PayPal debit card to pay for this. Now on this specific account, I didn't have any points to use at all, so I used my PayPal debit card to pay for it, and then I didn't get back really any points, and then I did get back my $4 registry reward, making both of these just $2 each. So that is my first transaction. And then in my second transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Olay body washes, and these are the 22-ounce bottles, and these are also priced at Walgreens this week 2 for $12, or $6 each. And the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will go ahead and pick up 2 for $12. We do have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that you can use on these. So $12 minus that $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $8. You will pay $8, and then you will receive that $4 registry reward, which I did receive, but I used it on another transaction. So with receiving that registry reward, it made the total for both of these just $4, or it makes each one $2. And then here is my receipts for this one. Same thing with this. I used the same account. I didn't have any points to use. So both of them rung up 2 for $12. My $4 digital coupon came off. Subtotal came out to be $8. Used my PayPal debit card to pay for that. And I did get back my $4 registry reward, making them just $2 each. And then in my third transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Oral-B toothbrushes. I did do this in my previous Walgreens transaction. So these are priced at $3 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will go ahead and purchase 2 at $3. That will bring your total to $6. We do have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that you can use on these. So $6 minus the $3 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $3. And remember, when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. And again, I received my $4 registry reward, but I used it on another transaction. So with me receiving that $4 registry reward, it made these completely free, plus a $1 money maker. But that is not it, because if you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $1 back. The limit is 5. I purchased 2, so I did get $2 back from IBOTTA. So instead of these being a $1 money maker, they ended up being free plus a $3 money maker, which is a really nice deal on the toothbrushes. And so here is my receipts for that one. So as you guys can see, both of my Oral-B toothbrushes were up $3, so $6 total. The digital $3 coupon came off. My subtotal came out to be $3. Used my PayPal debit card to pay for it, and I did get back my $4 registry reward along with my $2 from IBOTTA. So those are the 3 transactions that I did at my first Walgreens store. And so now we're going to go ahead and head on into my second transaction. So in my second transaction, I just went ahead and grabbed one of these Dawn dish soaps. This is the 7 ounce. And then I grabbed a total of 4 of the Gain laundry detergents. This is something that one of my customers is also brand loyal to Gain. So in my previous Walgreens video, when I stocked up on Gain products, I put that into a bundle, and that bundle has already been sold. So I am also going to create 2 more Gain bundles, and I'm going to sell those detergents as well. So I went ahead and grabbed 4 of those, and then I grabbed 2 of the Bounty Essential paper towels. So with the Bounty and the Gain, the deal with select household products is that they are priced at $4.99, and the deal is when you buy 6, you will receive $10 in Walgreens Cash. Now we do have a $1 off of 1 digital coupon for the Gain liquid, and we also have a $1 off of 1 digital coupon for the Gain pods. You can also check the PG Good Everyday website and print off a $1 printable coupon for the Gain pods. Now in this transaction, I personally just wanted to use registry rewards, so I didn't use any coupons at all. I only used registry rewards. So for both of the Bounty paper towels, the Gain, and then the Dawn dish soap, that brought my total to $30.89. On this transaction, I used nothing but registry rewards. So my total came out to be $30.89. I used a total of $30 in registry rewards. So out of pocket, I only had to pay 89 cents. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you guys can see, the Dawn dish soap did ring up at 95 cents. Both of my Bounty paper towels at $4.99, so $9.98. All 4 of my Gain liquid detergents at $4.99, so $19.96. And then as you guys can see, I used a total of 5 $4 registry rewards and 2 $5 registry rewards, totaling me $30. And so as you guys can see, my subtotal is 89 cents. So that's all I had to pay out of pocket, which I used my PayPal debit card to pay for that. And when you guys look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn $10 back from doing that deal. So that was my second time doing the deal this week. I think I'm going to do it once more, depending on how many more registry rewards that I can get, because I am completely, so these are all of the Gain products that I have. Like I said, my Gain products sell extremely fast, so my goal is to do the deal at least one more time. So I may either go today or I may go tomorrow before the deal ends. But that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Do not forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I submitted all of my receipts and I didn't have any qualifying offers, but I did get some points back. I did get 25 points back per receipt just for scanning. So if you guys are not using I was about to say if you guys are not using registry rewards, but if you guys are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. So you guys, Fetch Rewards is a really, really nice app that you can use. You can scan whatever type of receipts you would like to scan to get some points. Those points add up, and once you get to a certain amount, you can then redeem those points for gift cards. Right now in my Fetch Rewards account, I have about close to $100. I think I have about $93 or $96 in my Fetch Rewards account. I'm just personally letting those points build up, and then one of these good old days I will treat myself and probably get me an Amazon gift card or whatever, whichever store that I choose. So I highly recommend, if you are not using Fetch Rewards, to go ahead and sign up. And the best part about it is that you will get 2,000 points. So again, that will be linked in the description box below. Also, you guys, don't forget to check your IBOTTA accounts to see if you have the rebates for the Oral-B toothbrushes. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will also have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Share this video with your friends and your family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.